One powerful trade signal with over 5,300 points. We're talking in just 47 trading hours. How possible? I hear you cry. Well, stick around to discover the how, the when, and the what. Let's get started. This is US30 daily time frame. The previous videos in this series showcase the epic indicator live in action on April 2nd, following the pre-market analysis conducted using a top-down approach. As seen here on the daily time frame, the dominant trend was established as bearish. A market rally was subsequently anticipated after the April 1st doji indecision day, annotated in blue. That is, an upward move that would gravitate to the gap denoted as market void 1 on the chart before a down thrust for trend continuation and a market onslaught to take out pools of liquidity resting below multiple swing lows. Examining this Wednesday, April 2nd candle here, we can see the moves played out exactly as analyzed, where we got 2 live buy signals on the 5-minute time frame, with moves that rallied nicely to the gap region at a predetermined delineated higher time frame, key zone confluence. A rejection of this powerful level plays out, with a swing high formed on the lower time frame. A sudden market down thrust occurs, signaling the resumption of the downtrend. Measuring from the predetermined higher time frame, key zone confluence, we see a move of over 6,000 points all the way down to this lower low level. 2 live sell signals trigger on the 5-minute time frame as the market draws to a close on April 2nd, and another one after the market reopens with a gap down, denoted as market void 2. The big question is, what did the very first sell signal had to offer in its bid to grab a good chunk of this juicy pie in this down thrust? The horizontal line displayed here marks the hypothetical entry level that is at the open of the candle that follows the trigger bar. Now, it is important to note that one of the applicable techniques is finding an entry level that is in close proximity to the higher time frame key zone confluence. Let's focus on the very first sell signal that was triggered as the downtrend resumed. Here you can see this move measures over 5,340 points in a span of just about 47 trading hours. This is mind-blowing. That's a massive chunk of the juicy pie, to say the least. Subsequent sell signals triggered are also shown in the previous videos, with a massive move identified on this large range candle in part 3 of the video series. We can drop down to the 5-minute time frame to see the live signals that were generated to put things in perspective. The 2 buy signals in green can be seen on the left, and the 3 red sell signals on the right. As at the time of recording part 3 of this video series, the first sell signal had offered a 2,899-point move. We can now update this figure to reflect the full move by April 7th. A whopping 5,343 points, with no further retracement to the signal entry level. Simply phenomenal. Now you know the how and the when. Just in case you still don't know the what, all these epic moves were generated by none other than Pathfinder, 317 explosive scalper indicator, an all-in-one non-repaint indicator that is suitable for scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Check out parts 1, 2, and 3 of this video series detailing the analysis and various aspects of the indicator, as well as techniques employed in real time coupled with live signal generation. If you haven't done so already, be sure to watch the entire video series to piece everything together.